Maple TA Exam Review, Unit 3, question number 7. A recent study found several features of internet usage that correlated with depression. One news article headline stated, "Study proves the internet causes depression." Which of the following best describes the flaw in the logical reasoning of the news article? So we have a study that said we can correlate internet use to depression. Probably increased internet usage may have had increase in depression. So maybe a linear trend line. And they said that it causes depression. So that right there is probably our key word. But let's go through what our options are. The first one says, the news article claimed causation when there is only evidence of correlation. That sounds very along the lines I was going with, that because I had this correlation, it doesn't necessarily mean causation. The next one, the news article, so I'm going to select that one, and then we'll read through the next ones just to verify that nothing else matches really nice. The news article appealed to emotion. Not necessarily, although it did kind of make it hyped a little bit. Then the news article failed to use the correct trend line in making their conclusions. Not necessarily. It seems like they definitely went with the same trend line, that it was increasing, but they used this word cause, so I'm not going to do that one either. The next, the news article did not make a flaw in the logical reasoning. They said it did, so therefore it causes. Just because we have a correlation does not mean that we have a causation. So this is not correct either. And the last, the news article used an improper generalization. Not necessarily a generalization. They were following the same trend line, and generalization means that it happened for a small group, so it means it happens for a large group, and that one I think might be your the most people that will get this one wrong might choose this one, but again, the biggest problem here is that it says that it causes depression, and we can't say correlation is the same as causation.